What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm gonna take you snow machining. Let's go. Welcome to Truck House Lab, baby. So here we are in Willow, Alaska. Just woke up bright and early, and we gonna go riding today. And not just riding, but we're gonna take you snow machine skiing slash snowboarding. So basically gonna use the snow machine slash snowmobile slash sleds, whatever you wanna call it. We're using those to do some snowboarding and skiing, using those to get up the mountain. That's what's happening. So go see what the boys are up to. We're up here in Willow at Matt's cabin. I'm camping in the camper this weekend while they're sleeping in the big cabin up there. Let's get the day started. All right, we're out of here. Let's had some Let's had some biscuits and gravy. We're gonna head up to Hatcher Pass today and go do some sled skiing like I said. Here we go. Good morning, Mr. Moose. Oh, family of moose. Cool. All right, we're on our way to Hatcher Pass. Here we go. We're trying to get up the switchback here. It's pretty steep. Big solid ice. Not too bad. There's a little bit of gravel on it, so that's helping, but this is snot slick ice if this gravel weren't on it. Beautiful day up here. We're gonna get unloaded without the ramp this time. There's actually a snowbank that'll work. Cool. Dylan and Mason suiting up. Filling the sled up. Got our mobile gas pumping station there. Pretty cool. Putting that truck bed trailer to use. Here we go. This Dylan's second time riding a snow machine by himself over there. I put Steve in my RMK up here. Yeah, it looks decent. I don't know. At least a little bit of powder on top of the crust. I have literally no wax at all on my snowboard. It's brand new, never been waxed. You can see the ice already sticking to it, so probably not gonna be able to snowboard this. Not steep enough.
Last third was steep and it was good.
Yeah, that looks slow. I think the one over there might be the way to go, like that middle bump up there, and then come down the front side of that.
A little better.
I'll go check that out next.
Yeah.
You don't want to bump up this one, then
yeah,
might go scout that other thing over there.
Yeah.
See what it looks like. I'll have to get on something steep to go down though. It'll stay, yeah. And at least you can drop off this base faster. Let's give Meso a little bump up the slope here. The snow seems pretty decent today. There's definitely a really hard wind slab up under everything, so you don't sink in too much. But it's good for boarding, I think. It's like just enough snow. It's just really sticky right now. Been kind of warm. If you're doing all the sled skiing and bumping people up like this, good idea just for the sledder to get down and just watch the skier come down in case they get into trouble. You might be able to actually help if there's any kind of avalanche or anything like that. All right, here comes Mason down. Nice. We get down there and get eyes on you guys.
Okay, cool. We should go first.
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I feel like if you get sketched out or whatever, just like traverse out of it, you know.
Oh yeah, this doesn't look too bad to me. Cool.
Right. Get down there quick. What's up?
You grab any ski poles?
No.
Somewhere between there and there, we lost ski poles.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I thought you guys stopped and picked them up.
Oh, no, I didn't see. I didn't follow your track and Zacho's off to the right. Where did you come up? Like probably right over there?
Right here. Right here, took this way.
Yeah, fucking keep our eyes out. Lost some ski poles. Lost the ski poles, huh? I think Steve's about to drop this. Oh my God. You better square up, dude. He's gonna start going out of control in a minute. Right now. You can't slow down.
Perfect.
I think he's good though.
Nailed it.
As long as you don't hit, it's fine. As long as you don't hit a rock. He's good, I think.
That little slough coming down on him.
Yep. How'd that feel, buddy? I was like, this is totally fine if you don't hit a rock.
It looked pretty good.
It actually is pretty slow. I thought this was gonna be way faster going down.
It wasn't as steep as it looks.
Yeah.
I could totally ghost ride my sled down that.
Probably could, maybe. Were you steering a little bit though coming down?
No, not really.
As good as it gets.
Right, like I'm so stupid, it'll be tipping, I'll be like, I'll put my foot out like I'm on my mountain bike.
Oh yeah, yeah, totally.
It's not that deep.
Dude, the ski boots make it hard to ride too. That's like this.
Flying around,
Yep.
it's like, whoa.
Yeah, you're not flexible, you know.
Luckily, I loosened them up. They're actually okay flexible, but
Yeah.
mostly just like I've stepped down and they kind
Yeah,
of wiggle.
you can't like bend your toes, you know. Like at the ball of your foot.
Right.
It's like all stiff, so it makes it tougher. You try to anticipate it too. You can see how like the hill is pulling that way. So if you hit it faster, you'll like skateboard around it, you know. So you gotta like think of it like that. You can project yourself around dips if you go fast enough. And if you slow down, it'll start pulling you to the dip even faster, you know.
Right. Just like
how like on that last hill you started to get off and you slowed down and then it went to tip.
Yeah.
If you would have just kept your momentum up, you could have just kept going.
Yep. Yeah, it's like if you're trying to get to that next dip, you can see how it's pulling this way, but if you just go like 20 miles an hour, you'll like zip right up there, you know.
Lean like this is good.
You might not even have to.
Not even have to.
Yeah. I cannot believe it. We just found Dylan's phone
right back there under the snow from yesterday when we lost it. It's nuts. He doesn't know yet. We're gonna go show it to him.
You guys were riding proud.
Yeah, we were like, oh, dude, look how fast they're coming.
Only found this.
There.
We found it. Under the snow, too.
The wind came up and blew it. I was over there like digging through the snow. Boom! Found it.
They were fucking riding. We were looking at it like, dude, they're riding with like.
No, because I was like, there's no way that Tim and Steve didn't like spend like 30 minutes just scouring the place so much.
So it was right where you found like when I was.
Right where you're laying.
Found your little snow angel.
Yep.
Yeah. How much you love me now,
put that in
Dylan?
your pocket and zip it up.
Dude, you gotta
Lock that down, bro.
celebrate. I'm putting this.
Let's celebrate by finding my phone.
Yo.
You're like, let's go find mine.
Dude,
One down.
I got like so much energy to find anyone's phone at this point.
Doesn't happen.
And like 15 million,
Yeah.
dude.
I can't believe that, dude. That is fucking mind blowing. I would say it's like it didn't snow, like so many reasons.
The
like,
wind blew over top of it and it was
It
gone.
was
Yeah.
buried underneath the snow.
Yeah, I wasn't on top.
That's like the amount of there's like there's no.
I told
drugs
you, if you
comparable
find
to
that
finding
phone,
your
you're gonna
How do you
like-
feel now compared to this morning when you wanted to leave?
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
This is like losing a phone and then finding it's like.
There you go. Found a cell phone out in this. Amazing.
You probably should throw Matt $500.
No. We're gonna go find my phone. It's all good.
Seriously, I got like a
One phone down, one to go. All right, you're not gonna believe this, but I lost my phone now. No joke. I was droning and it fell off the sled. That's 3 phones, 3 cell phones. Let's go find it. I hope it's sitting in the snow.
Dude, I hope so.
I'm gonna get there before these guys get there. So I think I left my phone, like the last time I used it, I had the drone out. So that's where it's gonna be. I've never lost my phone my entire life. Like all 3 of us literally lost our phones. Oh my God, I hope it's up here. I'm thinking it just, I put it on my snow machine seat and I think it slid off. All right, this is where we were, right up here. Hope I can find it. I think this is where we were, like somewhere in here. Oh, this sucks. I cannot believe I lost my freaking cell phone. No way! You found it? Oh my God. What? I thought we stopped back there. It was right here. Oh my God. Boom! All right, let's go get yours. I wasn't lying.
Oh, I know.
I've literally never lost my phone my entire life. Yeah, it probably was on my seat and just slid off or something.
Just poking out. I saw this little black sliver. Well, I guess I'm bitch now.
Yep. Let's go get it.
We're not finding mine.
You were all over the place. Yours is in a fucking bag though. I feel like yours should be floating on top. Back at the truck. Successful day. We're back in the parking lot and we're gonna spend the night right here. I think it's the plan. It's not the most level place, but we'll make it work. Just put your head uphill. Works pretty well. Sweet, someone left some beers. Cool, nice. Score. That's pretty awesome. I haven't had that in my videos in a while, but every now and then someone will leave me beers or leave something in the camper. I got my little mailbox, like, actually, I haven't checked it in a while. Oh, got something in there. Yeah, I'll read it later. Well, I guess that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my content. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.